Building trails for the future is all about bringing the kids involved in that. I'm Tom Hoyne. I'm the president of the Columbia Valley Cycling Society. We formed in 2006, and the need at that time was to authorize trails, get a trail network in the Invermere area. When we do trail days, it's about families coming out, helping support that, understanding and giving our skills to the kids that are going to really embrace that for the future.
I've been building trails for about 5 years now. I started building them just as something fun to ride with my friends, and now it's more about keeping the trails that I love nice. I feel like that makes it more accessible to like newer mountain bikers and young families and young kids, as it makes the trails easier and more fun to ride.
I only got into mountain biking pretty recently. I've been biking about like 2.5, 3 years. And Swansea's really cool because it's the first place that I ever kind of did some serious biking on. And so it means a lot to have the trails running well.
For me, maintaining trails is more sustainability. There is such high traffic here, and you want to maintain the products for future generations. And youth growing into that, they're the future. We're building these trails for them.